long-standing partners, recognized as leading players in their respective fields of expertise. ECA Group and iXblue embark on a new journey together and become Exail. Animated by a pioneering spirit, our people are joining forces to push back the frontiers of science and take our technological excellence to new heights. With innovation as our driving force, we keep pushing boundaries to open up new horizons. Taking our place as a new unique industrial high-tech champion, we will help you rise to the most complex challenges. At Exail, we dare to go where no one has ever gone. From the deep sea to outer space, our cutting-edge robotics, maritime, navigation, aerospace and photonics technologies will empower you to venture into unknown territories. No matter how hostile the environment, we will be by your side every step of the way, delivering safety and reliability. Exail, expanding your capabilities.